What's up, guys? I've been asked this question lately a lot, and I thought it would be fun to share how much money a small YouTuber make. And as you know, I am a small YouTuber. I have only 4,400, almost at this time, 4,381 subscribers. I've been on this journey for 5 years. Actually, I started my YouTube channel in Australia. A YouTube channel is called Marcos Super 10. Work on this channel for a little bit. We're just posting like random video game stuff, and YouTube offered me to monetize. I had almost 100 subscribers, and that was all. And I was making 300 bucks every 3 months, so 100 bucks a month, let's say. And then of course they came with the new rule, which you gotta have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of views in 1 year, and I didn't have it. So I lost it after a while, but I kept that in my mind when I moved to America, and I kept posting videos because I was like, okay, I'm gonna try to keep going with this. And yeah, it just didn't quite work until I bought a Mitsubishi Eclipse, and I started working on the Eclipse, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start making videos and helping people to do their stuff on their car, because I was learning from YouTube, and nothing more logical than making other videos and help people with my experience, right? I started making videos on my old channel, and then I realized, I could make this a business, and making the videos, sharing, helping people, answering emails and stuff. But at the same time I do all of that, I could get revenue from YouTube. And so I start posting videos, but I wasn't serious, because I'm a software engineer working in the day, have a good job, get tired like everybody else, have 2 kids. At the time I started, I only had one, and I was young. And I kept going, posting videos when I wanted, and I mean, it didn't change much. So create the new CarModsGarage channel, start posting videos, had 10 subscribers, took me forever to get 100 subscribers. It was cold, I wouldn't do anything, because my garage in Texas was open, until beginning of 2019, and I thought, I'm gonna do it for real now. So I start posting a video a week, and by the end of 2019 I was posting 2 videos per week, and I want to speed up my process. So I read this book a while ago that was called 10 Times Rule from Grant Cardone. It's basically, whatever you're doing, do 10 times more than whatever you're doing, and you're going to be 10 times better and go 10 times faster, right? So I start posting a video every 2 days. In 2020, I posted 198 videos on that year alone. And that was the year that I grew from 100 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers, and I started monetizing in January, or it was 2019. I started monetizing in January 2020. So all of this I told you was in 2019. And from monetizing on that time, I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you my channel now. So I'm going to be looking this way because my computer is down here, but basically this here is what's going to determine how much money you're going to make. You think that this information is private, but it's not. So in here, the past 28 days, as you see up here, I had 40,000 views, 531. Which alone, it doesn't mean how, it cannot translate to money, because if someone open your video, you have a video which is this long, let's say this is 10 minutes, and you have 3 ads in here, one in here, one in the end, and one in the middle. If someone open a video, watch 1 minute and drop off, get out, you won't make this two videos revenue in here, just from the first one. But if you have a video that someone has the same video 10 minutes and they watch the 3 ads, they're gonna make money for each ad. So from the same time you make 1 cent, someone's gonna make 3. I'm just making numbers up, but it could be half cent, could be whatever, but they're gonna make 3 times more, right? So in here you see also watch hours. So views and watch hours It's kind of gonna tell you how many ads you saw and all that stuff. It might translate to 1,000 views, it's gonna be $18, something like that, which in my case is not, but for some people with 1,000 views, it could be $23. So in short, it's not gonna fall from the average. I'm gonna show you also on another website how you can get this information from any YouTuber, and it's gonna get pretty close to what they have. It's not gonna be the exact number. I'm showing you here on YouTube, so this is the exact numbers of mine, okay? So from this here, if I move to the revenue source, this is what I made so far on the past 28 days. If I change here to lifetime, so I'm going to show you from 2018 when I started this channel, and I had nothing, and then I had 2019, and I start posting videos, a bunch of videos. And so January 2020, I start making money. My first payment was here, $87. On lifetime, let's get here lifetime. So lifetime, I made $3,500. Last 365 days, I made $2,500. So my first payment was $88. Then I got $81. So you see, it kept increasing. So every month I was making more. 150, 140, 160, and kept going up and up and up. I'm a small YouTuber, right? Very, very small. I have 4,000 subscribers. It's growing. I have 115, 120 subscribers every month. So it takes a while. And the more, it takes forever to reach 1,000. When you reach 1,000, you start getting more and more. And the more you have, the more subscribers you get, because you have more videos, more views, and all that stuff. One thing I want to show you is, this is not private because of this here. You open your socialblade.com. So this website is going to show you information. You can search for any YouTuber here. In my case, it shows here that I make $2,100 per year and $173 a month. That's pretty close, right? I made $260 a month, and it was $2,500 in 1 year. And you see here uploads 457, how many subscribers I have, how many video views, and when I started. So I started in January 2018. And here, the cool thing is you can see how much money you make every month, every day. So you see here between $5 and $6. And if I go to my YouTube, it's going to show me $5 and $6, right? So I mean, it's pretty close. Here I have some 7s, some 4s, and there is mostly like 5 or 6. And the cool thing here is you can go to videos and get my most 50 best videos I had that had more views, and it's going to show you per video how much money I made. So in here, for example, recharging AC for Dodge Ram, just on this video I made around $500. So it covered what I paid for the AC charge to make the video. So you know, fans for the Eclipse, $173. I paid for the fans because I paid probably $60 on eBay. And you know, and so on. But not all the videos are the same. So you get some videos I make $19, some videos I make $3, and that's pretty much it. I wanted to share because people are being asking. Again, this is not private, and you know, I'm happy I'm making this money making videos. And one thing I want to share also is this is not the only streams of income that comes from YouTube. Because you have YouTube, I end up having my store that sells t-shirt, which is on CarModsGarage.com. Then people sponsor my videos. Then I get free things to show on my videos. I try not to get crappy things or things that I don't believe, because I don't want to put my name on it. But you know, and also affiliate marketing. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Share with people. And you know, if you want to start on YouTube, one advice I give you is you are not going to get rich tomorrow. Of course, this is not going to apply for everyone. You might put 2 videos and your videos are awesome, and you live in a van with a cow inside, and the cow wears a hat and people love it. and you're gonna make millions of views, and you know, and you're gonna start monetizing right away. But you know, if you follow the normal, that's not gonna happen. Or just put in your head that that's not gonna happen, but work for it. Put a hat on a cow and put inside your car and make a video, and then it's gonna happen. I mean, mostly just be persistent. Don't follow negativity. People are gonna tell you crap. People are gonna make you stop. People have rude comments. Ignore them all. That's what the advice I give you. Do what you gotta do. Give up if you want to give up. Don't listen to people. I never give up. I'm gonna keep this year until I think is enough for me, which I don't think that's gonna happen because I have fun. This is my hobby, but I hope that happens to you too. So that's it. Peace. Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's at McDonald's. 20 miles to go.